In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Etsy app. We'll do this right on a Windows 11 PC using your web browser, so you get a clean, app-like experience without hunting through any stores. This method creates a dedicated window for Etsy with its own icon, making it feel like a native app and keeping your shopping separate from your other browser tabs. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer. Any modern browser works, but the layout I'm describing will look familiar if you're using a current version of Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. With the browser open, head to the address bar and search for Etsy. You should see the official site appear at the top of your results. Click the result that goes to the official Etsy website. A quick way to double-check you're in the right place is to look for a secure padlock icon and the correct web address in the address bar. This helps ensure you're installing the legitimate site as an app. Once the Etsy website is open and fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. Click it to reveal additional options. In that menu, move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This groups a set of actions related to casting, saving, and sharing web content. And it's also where browsers place the install option for web apps. In that expanded area, click Install as App. This tells your browser to install Etsy as a progressive web app, or PWA. A small confirmation window will pop up, showing the app name and icon. Click Install to confirm. In just a moment, a new window will open that looks and behaves like a standalone Etsy application, without the usual browser interface. After installation, Windows may automatically add an Etsy shortcut to your Start menu, and you might see an icon on your taskbar once it's running. If you like quick access, you can right-click the icon while the app is open and choose to pin it to your taskbar or Start for easier launching later. If you don't immediately see the Install as App option, make sure the page has finished loading and that you're on the official site, then try again. Keeping your browser up to date can also help. That's it. You've successfully installed the Etsy app experience on Windows 11, giving you a faster, cleaner way to browse and shop without cluttering your regular browser tabs. Enjoy your new setup and happy browsing.